Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lakshmi Vishwan, the trainee social worker of Sri Shabarisha College, Kottayam, Kerala. This video is explaining about the online campaign and use of social media in social work practice. Before moving to this topic, we have to understand about the elements of discussion include introduction, online campaign in social work practice, importance of online campaign in social work practice, examples of online campaign, impact of online campaigns and also use of social media in social work practice and the effects of social media, conclusion, etc. Moving on to the introduction, in recent years, the use of social media and the online campaign in social work practice has revolutionized the way social workers engage with clients, advocate for social justice, and collaborate with colleagues. With the rise of online campaigns and digital advocacy efforts, social workers are leveraging the power of social media platforms to amplify their voices, raising awareness about important social issues, and mobilize support for marginalized communities. Online campaigns have become a vital tool for social workers to connect with a broader audience, share resources, and foster community engagement. Through strategic use of social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn, social workers can reach individuals in remote understand and communities provide support in real time and create virtual spaces for empowerment and advocacy. And moving on to the next topic, online campaign in social work practice. Online campaign in social work practice can be a powerful tool for raising awareness, promoting social justice issues, and mobilizing support for important causes. Here we some key considerations for running on effective online campaign in social work practice. They are, first one is identify your goals. Clearly define the objectives of your campaign, whether it's raising awareness about a specific issue, advocating for policy change, for fundraising for a cause. And the second one is know your audience. Understand who you are trying to reach with your campaign and tailor your messaging and content to resonate with them. And the third one is use social media strategically. The utilize platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn to reach a wider audience and engage with supporters, create compelling content such as videos, infographics, and personal stories to capture attention. And the fourth one is collaborate with partners. Work with other organizations, influencers, or community members to amplify your message and reach a larger audience. And the fifth one is monitor and evaluate. Track the important or the impact of your campaign by monitoring metrics such as engagement, reach, and donations. Use this data to assess effectiveness of your effort and make adjustment as needed. And the last one is practice ethical engagement. Ensure that your campaign is respectful, inclusive, and culturally sensitive. Consider the potential risk and unintended consequences of your messaging and actions. Overall, online campaigns can be a valuable tool for social workers to advocate for change, raise awareness, and mobilize support for important social issues. And the next one is importance of online campaign. Online campaign play a crucial role in social work practice for several reasons. First one is reach. Online campaigns have the potential to reach a large and diverse audience, including individuals who may not be accessible through traditional outreach methods. This broad reach allows social workers to raise awareness about social justice issues, advocate for policy change, and mobilize support on a larger scale. And the second one is accessibility. Online campaigns make it easier for individuals to engage with social work initiatives from the comfort of their own homes. This accessibility can lower barriers to participation and empower more people to get involved in important causes. And the third one is cost effective. That compared to traditional forms of advertising and outreach, online campaigns are often more cost effective. Social workers can leverage digital platforms to promote their message, share resources, and connect with supporters without incurring significant expenses. And the fourth one is engagement. Online campaigns provide a rapport units for interactive engagement with supporters. Social workers can use social media, emails, newsletters, and other digital tools to foster conversations, share stories, and build relationships with their audience. And the fifth one is data collection. By tracking matrices such as website traffic, social media engagement, and donation patterns, social workers can evaluate the effectiveness of their campaigns and make informed decisions about future strategies. And the last one is amplification. The online campaigns have the potential to amplify social work efforts by leveraging the power of social networks. Supporters can easily share campaigns content with their own networks, helping to spread awareness and drive action on a large scale. Moving on to the next topic, examples for online campaign. There are various examples for online campaign scheduled in the worldwide. First one is Black Lives Matter. The Black Lives Matter movement has utilized online campaigns to raise awareness about systemic racism, policy brutality, and social justice issues affecting black communities. Through social media platforms, individuals and organizations have shared resources, organized protest, and advocating for policy change to address racial inequality. And the second one is Me Too. The Me Too movement has used online campaigns to shed light on the prevalence of sexual harassment and assault. Survivors have shared their stories and social media sparking conversations about consent, gender based violence, and the need for cultural change. And the third one is Climate Strike. The youth led climate strike movement has organized online campaigns to mobilize support for climate action. Through digital platforms, activists have raised awareness about the climate crisis, called for policy change to reduce action carbon emission, and inspired global strike and protest to demand environmental justice. And the fourth one is mental health awareness. Online campaigns focused on mental health awareness have helped reduce stigma, promote self care practices, and connect individuals with resources for mental health support. Social workers and mental health advocates use digital platforms to share information, stories of resilience, and tips for maintaining emotional well being. And the fifth one is Refugees Welcome. Online campaigns advocating for refugee in communities have used social media to challenge stereotypes, share personal narratives, and advocate for policies that support refugees, integration, and well being. And the sixth one is End Homelessness. The campaign raise awareness about housing insecurity, advocate for affordable housing solutions, and connect individuals experiencing handness of with resources and support services. And the next one is Impact of online campaign in social work practice. Online campaigns have had a significant impact on social work practice in several ways. They are first one is raising awareness, community engagement, advocacy and policy change, empowerment and amplification, resource sharing and support, global reach and solidarity, etc. Then, coming to the next topic, use of social media in social work practice. Social media has become an essential tool in social work practice, offering various attractive methods such as engagement, advocacy, and community building. Here are some ways in which social workers can effectively utilize social media in their practice. First one is engagement and communication. Social workers can use social media platforms to engage with clients, colleagues, and the um, community members. And there is a mutual role. And the second one is education and awareness. Social workers can leverage social media to educate the public about social issues, mental health awareness, and available resources, etc. And the third one is advocacy and activism. Social media provides a powerful platform for social workers to advocate for policy change, raise awareness about injustice, and mobilize support for social justice initiatives. And the fourth one is networking and collaboration. Social media facilitates networking and collaboration among social workers, allowing them to connect with colleagues, clients, share best practices, and collaborate on projects. Example LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, etc. And the fifth one is crisis intervention and support. They can provide immediate assistance to individuals in distress or the pathetic situation, offer mental health resources, and connect people to local services or helplines. And the sixth one is ethical considerations. They should maintain client confidentiality, respect boundaries, and ensure that their online interactions uphold professional standards. And lastly, the effects of social media. Social media has both positive and negative effects on social work practice in many ways and many places, many situations, etc. Here are some of the key effects. There, first one is the positive effects of social media in the social work practice. They are the increased reach, enhanced communication, community building, advocacy opportunity, professional development, etc. And the next is negative effects of social media in the social work practice is increased or the ethical concerns, misinformation, burnout and overload, boundary crossings, etc. Then, moving on to the conclusion. Here we discussed about the online campaigns and the use of social media platforms have become powerful tools in social work practice. These platforms allow social workers to reach a wider audience, raise awareness about important social issues, and engage with client and communities in new and innovative ways. By harnessing the power of online campaigns and social media, social workers can amplify their impact and create positive change in society. It is important for social workers to continue to embrace these digital tools and leverage them effectively to enhance their practice and effect or advocacy efforts. Thank you, and always thank you for watching my video.